Wise men say.
But what he said next, I'll never forget, because it was such an all-encompassing descriptor that clearly the way he said it.
But I can't help falling in love with.
Because the way that he said it, it sourced really from his soul.
Shall I stay?
So he said these words.
Would it be a sin?
Trace, she lights candles.
I can't help falling in love with you.
She lights candles.
I just looked at her and I knew that this was the woman that was going to be the love of my life. I just knew it.
Top that.
When I saw him, I just saw a light, and it just went inside of me. I felt, there was a light about him.
So therefore, we're stepping away from whatever was hanging us up and entering into a new life. Are you ready to jump the pool? Welcome to your life. Yes! You may now kiss the bride. You may now kiss it. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Hartle. There they are. Aren't they beautiful?
Che cos'è l'amore? Chi vive al vento, che sferza il suo lamento sulla ghiaia del viale del tramonto, alla maca gelata che ha perso il suo gazebo, guai dalla stagione andata all'ombra del lampione Sanssouci. Ai permette signorina, sono il re della cantina, vampiro nella vigna, sottrattor nella cucina. Son monarca e son boemio, se questa è la miseria mi ci tuffo con dignità da re. E permette signorina, sono il re della cantina, volteggio tutto crocco sotto i lumi dell'arco di San Rocco. Son monarca e son boemio, se questa è la miseria mi ci tuffo con dignità da re.
But what I think he meant in that statement was that she brought such an indescribable warmth and life to his life. That she brought joy, and with her, he had found a home that he wanted to keep forever.